Hey everyone, Anastasia here from DailyAIWizard. Most small and mid-sized businesses are still running processes manually that could be fully automated, and they don't even know it. Today we're talking about smart contracts, not the theoretical version you find in white papers, the practical version, what they actually do, how they work, and how a real company implemented them to cut costs, reduce errors, and automate transactions that used to require human intervention at every step. Let's get into it. Here's what we'll go through today. We start with the fundamentals, what smart contracts actually are and how blockchain makes them possible. Then we look at a real case study, ATLAS RVM Systems, a company that operates bottle return machines in the United States. We'll walk through their process without smart contracts, then with smart contracts, compare the results, and finish with a concrete 6-step guide you can use to start your own implementation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where smart contracts create value and where to start in your own business. So, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is a self-executing agreement whose terms are written directly in code. It runs on a blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. The key property, it executes automatically when predefined conditions are met. No intermediary, no manual trigger, no human error. Here's the simplest way to think about it. In a traditional contract, goods are delivered, someone verifies the delivery, someone approves the payment, someone processes the transaction. 4 steps, 4 opportunities for delay or error. With a smart contract, delivery is confirmed on the blockchain and payment releases automatically. 1 step, no human in the loop. That's the fundamental shift. Smart contracts have 4 properties that make them uniquely powerful for business automation. First, automation. Processes execute automatically when conditions are met. No manual trigger needed, no waiting for someone to approve. Second, transparency. All parties see the contract and its execution in real time. Nothing is hidden, nothing can be selectively disclosed. Third, immutability. Once a smart contract is deployed on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. What's written in the code is what happens, always. Fourth, security. The decentralized structure of blockchain means there is no single point of failure and no central authority that can manipulate the outcome. These 4 properties together are what makes smart contracts different from any other automation tool. Now let's talk about the 2 main blockchain platforms you'll encounter. The first is Ethereum, a public blockchain. Fully decentralized, anyone can participate. The standard smart contract programming language is Solidity. Ethereum is best for open ecosystems, decentralized finance, and public transactions where you want maximum transparency. The second is Hyperledger Fabric, a consortium blockchain. This is shared among a defined group of participants only. Data stays private within the consortium, and crucially, the infrastructure cost is shared across all members. No single company bears the full cost. For most small and mid-sized enterprises, Hyperledger Fabric is the right choice. Your data stays private, your partners are defined, and you split the infrastructure investment. This consortium model is exactly what makes blockchain accessible for companies that aren't tech giants. Let's make this concrete with a real case study. ATLAS RVM Systems, Incorporated is a company based in New York. They manufacture and operate reverse vending machines, the machines where customers return used bottles and cans and receive payment in return. Here's how their operation works. A customer places bottles into the machine. The machine scans the barcodes, calculates the payment amount, and records the data: bottle type, quantity, how much to pay. That data then needs to flow through the company's systems to a central recycling station and back to the client for invoicing. The challenge: multiple databases, manual reconciliation, separate invoicing systems, and human verification at every step. The opportunity: automate every step from bottle input to payment release using smart contracts on a consortium blockchain. This is not a hypothetical. This is a real implementation. Let's walk through the current process without smart contracts. Step 1. The customer places bottles in the RVM. Manual input. Nothing automated here. Step 2. The machine calculates the payment and records the data across multiple databases. Already, we have fragmented information. Step 3. Data is transmitted to the company's systems via API calls. Step 4. Manual payment reconciliation. A human has to verify that the payment amounts match the bottle quantities. Step 5. Bottles are physically collected and transported to the central recycling station. Logistics. Step 6. The central station manually verifies that what arrived matches what was reported. Step 7. A separate invoicing process is initiated in yet another system. 7 steps: multiple databases, multiple manual verifications, multiple opportunities for errors, delays, and disputes. This is the reality for thousands of small companies right now. Now let's look at the same process with smart contracts on a consortium blockchain. Step 1. The customer places bottles in the machine. The RVM immediately generates tokens on the blockchain, digital representations of the bottles with all relevant data attached. This step still requires the customer. Physical action can't be automated. Step 2. A smart contract triggers automatically. The bottle tokens are transferred to the relevant wallets: the RVM, the client, the company, the central station, simultaneously. Fully automatic. Step 3. Customer payment is released automatically via smart contract. No approval needed. Step 4. The central station confirms bottle clearance. The token status updates to cleared automatically on the blockchain. Step 5. Client payment is released automatically upon that clearance confirmation. No manual invoice trigger. Step 6. When spare parts reach a replacement threshold, a smart contract triggers a predictive maintenance alert before the machine fails. The company's support team is notified proactively. 5 of 6 steps, fully automated. Only bottle placement and physical spare parts replacement require a human, because they involve physical interaction that code cannot replace. Let's put the two scenarios side by side. Payment process. Before, manual reconciliation was required at every step. After, automatic token transfer handles it. Bottle clearance. Before, manual verification at the central station. After, blockchain confirmation happens automatically. Invoicing. Before, a separate system required a manual trigger. After, a smart contract triggers it. Maintenance. Before, reactive. The company found out about problems after machines failed. After, predictive. The smart contract alerts the support team before failure occurs. Error risk. Before, high. A human was involved at every step. After, minimal. The code executes exactly what is written. Transparency. Before, data was siloed across multiple systems. After, all parties see real-time data on the blockchain. Every dimension improves, not marginally, fundamentally. Let's summarize the 6 concrete advantages smart contracts bring to any small or mid-sized business. 1. Automation. End-to-end processes run without manual intervention. 2. Transparency. All parties see real-time data, no information silos, no selective disclosure. 3. Security. The immutable blockchain record prevents fraud and makes disputes resolvable by looking at the transaction history. 4. Cost reduction. Fewer manual steps, fewer errors, shared infrastructure through the consortium model. 5. Efficiency. Processes that took days are completed in seconds, from transaction trigger to final settlement. 6. Compliance. Regulatory requirements can be enforced automatically in code. For companies operating across multiple states or countries, this is significant. These advantages compound. Each one reinforces the others. So, how do you actually implement smart contracts in your business? Here is the practical 6-step path. Step 1, research and analysis. Identify which processes in your business involve repetitive transactions, manual verification, or multiple parties exchanging data. These are your smart contract candidates. Step 2, platform assessment. Evaluate which platform fits your needs. Ethereum for open, public use cases. Hyperledger Fabric for enterprise and consortium environments where privacy matters. Step 3, pilot project. Don't implement everything at once. Start with one process. Build a proof of concept. Test it in a controlled environment before touching production systems. Step 4, training and education. Smart contracts execute exactly what is written in the code. If the code is wrong, the execution is wrong. Your team needs to understand what smart contracts do and don't do. Step 5, deployment. Integrate with your existing ERP, CRM, or operational systems. Phased rollout is recommended. Don't cut over everything at once. Step 6, monitoring and evaluation. Track the metrics that matter: cost savings, error rates, processing time, compliance incidents. Use the data to justify further expansion. Start small, validate, expand. 2 important points before you start. First, legal compliance. Smart contracts are not legally binding in all jurisdictions. Before you deploy anything in production, consult with legal counsel. Verify that your implementation complies with the laws of every country or state where your business operates. The code executes automatically, but the legal relationship needs to be documented alongside it. Second, smart contract operability. Multiple smart contracts can interact and exchange data with each other. This is called operability. It's achieved through common protocols and interfaces. Operability is what allows you to build complex automated ecosystems where multiple contracts work together, and it's critical for widespread enterprise adoption. Both points matter equally. Legal compliance protects you. Operability enables you to scale. You might be wondering, can't I achieve the same automation with existing tools? Workflow software, ERP integrations, RPA? The answer is partially. Other automation tools can trigger processes, but they are not open, trustworthy, or decentralized. Open means all participants can access and interact with the system without a central gatekeeper controlling access. Trustworthy means the record is cryptographically secured. No party can manipulate it, retroactively change a transaction, or selectively show different data to different parties. Decentralized means There is no single point of failure. The network runs the contract, not a server that can go down, not a company that can change the rules. This combination, open, trustworthy, decentralized, is unique to blockchain. It's what makes smart contracts the right tool for multi-party business processes where trust between participants cannot be assumed. Let's wrap up with the 5 key takeaways from today. 1. Smart contracts automate transactions that currently require manual steps. No intermediary needed. 2. The consortium blockchain model makes blockchain accessible for small companies by sharing infrastructure costs. You don't need to build this alone. 3. Real results, automatic payment, automatic clearance, predictive maintenance, are achievable from a single case study implementation. 4. Implementation starts small. 1 pilot process, 2 sprints, measure the results, then expand. 5. Legal compliance is non-negotiable. Validate in every jurisdiction before deploying. The question is not whether smart contracts could benefit your business. The question is which process you start with. If you found this useful, subscribe to Daily AI Wizard. We cover cloud AI, software architecture, blockchain, and Python every week. And doctor, op your question in the comments. What process in your business would you automate first with smart contracts? See you in the next video.